Good morning, Eastview. It is Tuesday, September 15th. After you do your QOD on the fictional friend, today we are working on our websites. The word of the day is publish, 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 publish. Make sure after you're doing each thing, you click publish. So on here, I did my vlog reflection. Now I still would have to add in and type out my graphic design reflection, but once I'm done, I'm going to click this button up here, publish your site. Yes, I click publish again, and now I know all my hard work is saved. So that's the word of the day. Today is a website day. You're making sure that when you're done, you're going to have your pages done. So if you see mine, I also have 2 artifacts now. Everyone's going to have their dream board. They're going to have their favorite pixel edit. And that's it. That's what we're doing today. Good luck.